So you want to know how I made my first $1,000 in just 30 days. In this video, I'm going to drop the step by step. I'm going to break it down. The step by step, the strategies and tools that I use to hit that milestone. Yes, guys, without any fancy investment or complicated technique. Let's go, guys. If you are wondering whether it's really possible to make money online quickly, I am here to show you that it's totally doable. Anyone who tries to make money online knows that it's not an easy task. Yes, because there are so many scammers out there. There are so many misinformation and there are so many false promises out there also. Equally, there are so many people who give up easily. Once they try and they did not succeed, they just give up. They will not want to try again. Yes. So, but one of the biggest challenges that people face while trying to make money online is misinformation. Another one also is lack of guidance. Once you are misled or the information that you get about whatever you are doing online, once you are misled, you will not get it. There is no how you are going to get it right. Like some people will try to buy things online without going through it, without reading through it properly. Once you are not informed properly, once you do not read, once you do not pay attention and read instruction properly, you'll be misled because you are misinformed, because you do not take your time to try to understand what you are about to venture into. And by doing that, it affects the outcome of that investment or the outcome of that online transaction that you want to embark on. So let's be guided. Let's make sure that whenever we want to make any transaction or any investment, especially online, that we take our time to go through the instructions, to go through the guidance, to go through every necessary steps that we need to go through every instructions, to be able to adhere to instructions and follow them diligently. There are so many conflicting information out there. Yes, and it is hard to know where to start from. Another one is there is lack of patience. People want to make money online overnight, but the truth there is it takes time and effort to build something sustainable. That's just the truth. Step one, identify a profitable niche or skill. Yes, for me, what I did was I figured out what I could offer that people could pay for, whether it is freelance service, selling products, or creating content. Yeah, the first thing, the most important thing you need to find out is first identify what your audience needs. Once you identify what your audience needs, it's very easy for you. Yes, but for me, what I actually did, like I said earlier, I started by offering freelance services on Fiverr and Upwork. So you find out what your audience needs and start with that and start making this money. Step two, leverage on free platform. What I did was I leveraged on free platform like Fiverr, Upwork to market myself. Yes, I did not pay for any ad. I did not pay for any fancy website. I only use Fiverr, Upwork, and social media to market myself. You don't need to have big budget to start. You just have to start somewhere. You can use any of these free platforms to start. Yes, you don't need to start making money. You don't need to start paying for ads. You don't need to start looking for where you put your money first. You can start with all these free networks and start making money. You can start with seller to make your money. Yes, guys, you don't need to wait until you have a big money or until you have the money to start. Just start somewhere. Step three is consistency and building trust. One of the keys to hitting that $1,000 stretch goal is by making sure that I show up consistently. I make sure that I show up every day on a daily basis. Yes, and also deliver a quality work. Not just that I deliver a quality work, I am also there building my reputation. Yes, by showing up every day and building my reputation, it made me to gain clients repeatedly. Yes, and you know it is crucial for steady income. And once you deliver your work to your clients as at when you as agreed, yes, and you deliver a good and quality work, that client will keep coming. Others will equally be coming. They might be referring other people to you. Yes, guys. So make sure as you are there, you are delivering as at when due, and you are giving them what they ask for, and not just anyhow work. Yes, guys. Therefore, it's upselling and diversifying. Yes, this is another strategy that works for me. How do this work for me? Once I complete any project for a client, I offer them additional services. Take for instance, you ask me to write a business proposal for you or your company. After writing that business proposal on my own, I will still go ahead to offer advice based on the business proposal that I gave you. Here I am giving you two services instead of one. I did not just write your business proposal for you. I equally offer you advice based on that business proposal. Here I am making additional money. You pay me also for the advice that I give. This enable my income stream to increase. Yes, it did not allow me to be looking for clients repeatedly. No, I don't have to look for clients repeatedly because I am rendering two services for you. And once that advice that I gave you, you put it in practice and it worked for you, you will definitely come back for more. You will not only be asking me to write proposal for you, you will equally be seeking advice from me. That is why I say you can diversify. You can offer more than one project. You can offer more than one services to your clients and make more money. Yes, this is how it works. I'll be sharing more of income stream in the next video. So make sure you subscribe so you get to see that video when I drop it. Also, drop in the comment section the ideas that you have gotten so far and the one you are about to start with. Step number 5. Step number 5. Track your progress and optimize. I finally track my earnings. Yeah, that is what I do. I normally track my earnings to know when I'm going up and when I'm coming down. Yes, always track your earnings. Yes, because that is exactly what I normally do. Track your earnings. Yeah, look at what worked. Yes, and also optimize your process. Whether it is improving your pitch or you render a better services. Yes, always make sure that you check all these things to know when to work on yourself, to know when you are doing well and when you're not doing well. If your client reduces, if your earning reduces, that should tell you that something is wrong somewhere. So you work on yourself, you optimize your process. Yes, you optimize your process. Yes, guys. So make sure that you always look out for ways to improve and increase your income stream. So there you have it, how I made my first $1,000 online in just 30 days. Yes, it's all about choosing the right platform, being consistency, and looking for ways to upsell and scale your services. Yes, guys, that is it. If you are ready to start making money online, please drop in the comment section the method you are going to try first. Yes, don't also forget to like the video, share it please, and also subscribe to get to know more tips on how you can start making money online. See you in my next one. Bye.